good evening, good morning, good day. We are in our mobile app. The fourth option down is scheduling EVV. Click it. It's going to show you all of the sessions that you've already scheduled. At the bottom is self-check-in in orange. Click it. Your date and time are auto-populated. Leave it be. Your next option is end date. Open it up. Most of us are there for an hour, so we're going to alter that. Your next option down is selecting your individual from your list. Next comes your program. It's always a direct care provision. Service, select. Now, if you do have more than one service type and those duplicates, make sure to reach out to me, because that means that you and a fellow provider are sharing and serving the same client, and we want to make sure we tie you to your service authorization and them to theirs. Click next. It's going to bring up a map. Correct the house number if need be and hit submit. It's yellow. You're done for the moment. Go in, do your session, do your contact notes and your consult at the end with verification of photo and signature. Come back to your car, open this up, and now you're going to be able to check out right there. Now, if you are outside of a 15-minute window, it's going to tell you that you need to enter this. Now, that is if you are outside of the 15-minute window of that end time that you estimated. Make it short and simple. This is not your service contact notes. This is just to create the schedule so that we can answer questions from the case managers. We can answer questions around the rules and regulations around care coordination. And when state surveyors come in, they do reserve the right to be able to say, I want to know who is actively receiving services, because those surveyors can call those clients and request us to accompany them to the actual house of those clients. So that's the purpose of all of this. Short and sweet, and we are all done. Hit back. It's going to be green, and you know that you're scheduled and you're checked out. Have a lovely day.